Day 5 of the 30-Day English Challenge. Welcome back. If you have been following this series from day 1, you already know one important thing. English is not learned only by watching, reading, or memorizing. English is learned by hearing it, copying it, and using it again and again. Today I am going to show you one of the most powerful speaking techniques in the world: shadowing. If you want to speak English more naturally, more smoothly, and more confidently, this lesson can change everything for you. Shadowing is simple, but it is extremely powerful. And if you practice it the right way, you will start noticing a real difference in your pronunciation, your rhythm, your confidence, and even the way you think in English. So in today's lesson, I will explain what shadowing is, why it works, how to do it correctly, what mistakes to avoid, and then we will do a full practice session together. Stay with me until the end, because the real improvement happens when you repeat with me, not just listen. Let's begin. What is shadowing? Shadowing means listening to a sentence or short speech and repeating it immediately, almost at the same time, with the same pronunciation, rhythm, stress, and tone. You are not just reading words, you are copying the sound of real English. For example, if I say I am learning English every day, you do not wait too long. You hear it, and then you say it right away: I am learning English every day. The goal is not to translate the sentence in your mind. The goal is to train your mouth, ears, and brain to work together in English. That is why shadowing is so effective. It helps you sound more natural, faster. Why does shadowing work so well? Because speaking is a skill, not just knowledge. Many learners know grammar. Many learners know vocabulary. But when it is time to speak, they freeze. Why? Because they have not trained their speaking muscles. Shadowing fixes that problem. First, it improves pronunciation. When you repeat real English sentences, your mouth gets used to the correct sounds. Second, it improves rhythm and intonation. English is not only about words, it also has music. Some words are stressed, some words are softer. Shadowing helps you hear and copy that pattern. Third, it improves listening. When you train with shadowing, your ear starts catching words more quickly. Fourth, it builds confidence. The more you repeat, the less fear you feel. Speaking starts to feel normal. And fifth, it helps you think in English, because you are reacting quickly, not translating slowly. So if you have ever thought, I understand English, but I cannot speak it, shadowing is one of the best solutions for you. How do you do shadowing correctly? Let me show you the simple method. Step 1. Listen first. Do not rush. Listen to one short sentence and understand how it sounds. Step 2. Repeat immediately. As soon as you hear the sentence, repeat it out loud. Try to copy the speaker's pace, tone, and pronunciation. Step 3. Do not stop for every mistake. If you make a mistake, keep going. Shadowing is about flow. Do not let one bad word break your confidence. Step 4. Practice short sentences first. Do not begin with long, difficult paragraphs. Start with short and simple sentences. Then slowly increase the difficulty. Step 5. Repeat the same sentence many times. Repetition is the secret. One sentence repeated 5 or 10 times can teach you more than many sentences heard only once. Step 6. Record yourself. If possible, record your voice and compare it with the original. This helps you hear where you need improvement. Step 7. Use shadowing daily. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough if you stay consistent. Daily practice is better than one long session once a week. Now let's make this even clearer with an example. If the sentence is, I want to improve my English speaking skills, you listen first. Then you repeat, I want to improve my English speaking skills. Now repeat it again, but this time, try to match the speed. Again, I want to improve my English speaking skills. And again, I want to improve my English speaking skills. Do you see the idea? You are not just saying the sentence, you are training your mouth to move naturally. What should you focus on while shadowing? First, focus on clarity. Speak clearly, not too fast. Second, focus on stress. In English, some words are stronger than others. For example, in the sentence "I want to learn English," the important words are want, learn, and English. Third, focus on linking. Real English words often connect smoothly. They do not always sound separate. Fourth, focus on confidence. Do not worry about being perfect. Your goal is progress. Many learners ask, should I understand every word first? The answer is yes, if possible. But in shadowing, understanding the full meaning is helpful, not required at the beginning. The first goal is to hear and copy. Meaning becomes stronger as you practice more. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Mistake 1. Shadowing too fast. If the sentence is too difficult, slow down. Speed comes later. Mistake 2. Only listening, not repeating. Shadowing is active practice. If you are silent, it is not shadowing. Mistake 3. Trying to translate every word. That creates delay. You want automatic English response, not translation stress. Mistake 4. Giving up after one try. One try is not enough. Repeat again and again. Mistake 5. Choosing material that is too advanced. If the content is too hard, you will get frustrated. Choose beginner-friendly English first. Mistake 6. Practicing without consistency. Shadowing works best when you do it daily. Small practice every day gives stronger results than random practice. Now I want to show you how to do shadowing in a real lesson. Listen and repeat after me. I am ready to learn. I am ready to learn. I want to speak more confidently. I want to speak more confidently. English is becoming easier for me. English is becoming easier for me. I practice every day. I practice every day. My pronunciation is improving. My pronunciation is improving. I can speak without fear. I can speak without fear. I am training my English brain. I am training my English brain. I am building real fluency. I am building real fluency. Did you feel the power of that? That is shadowing. Short sentences. Clear rhythm. Repeat. Repeat again. Then repeat again. Now let's move to slightly longer lines. I do not need perfect English to start speaking. I do not need perfect English to start speaking. I just need practice, patience, and consistency. I just need practice, patience, and consistency. Every day, I become a little better. Every day, I become a little better. That is how fluency grows. That is how fluency grows. When you repeat sentences like this, your speaking starts to improve almost naturally. You are giving your brain a pattern. You are teaching it what English feels like. Shadowing also helps you with accent. Not because you are trying to copy a fake accent, but because you are learning how real English sounds when fluent speakers say it naturally. You start noticing word stress, smooth pauses, and sentence melody. That makes your speech sound more natural and less robotic. Let me give you one final shadowing set. Today I choose progress. Today I choose progress. I will practice even when I feel lazy. I will practice even when I feel lazy. I will speak more every week. I will speak more every week. I am building a better future through English. I am building a better future through English. That is the mindset you need. Not perfection. Progress. Now let me tell you something important. Shadowing is not magic. It does not work from one video alone. But if you do it every day, even for a few minutes, the change becomes real. Your mouth becomes faster. Your listening becomes sharper. Your speaking becomes smoother. Your fear becomes smaller. And that is why this technique matters so much in your English journey. So here is your challenge for today. Practice shadowing for 5 minutes right after this video. Choose a short clip. Repeat every sentence. Do it slowly if needed. Do it clearly. Do it daily. Then come back tomorrow for day 6, where we will move into thinking in English. That will help you stop translating and start speaking more naturally from inside your own mind. You are doing amazing. Day 1 gave you the roadmap. Day 2 gave you speaking practice. Day 3 helped you fix your problems. Day 4 gave you the most useful words. And today, day 5 gave you the technique that connects everything together. If you keep going, you will keep improving. If you keep practicing, you will keep winning. Your English is growing every single day, whether you feel it immediately or not. So don't stop now. Stay consistent. Keep shadowing. Keep speaking. Keep learning. Comment shadowing done if you practice today, and I will see you in day 6. Day 6 is coming, and it will help you think in English naturally. Until then, keep your focus, keep your voice strong, and keep moving forward. You are closer than you think. Let's continue this journey together.